Welcome to your Gaggenau Combi-steam oven, the combination oven that uses a mix of humidity and temperature, allowing you to steam, braise, bake, cook, grill, gratinate, regenerate, extract juice, sous vide. Everything is controlled by two simple selectors. The left controls the cooking function, while the right controls temperature, time, and settings. Use the function selector to select your heating combination and access up to 14 unique heating modes, including convection plus 100% humidity for vegetables, fish, side dishes, and breads. Convection plus 80% humidity for puff pastry, meat, and poultry. Convection plus 60% humidity for yeast-risen dough and bread. Convection plus 30% humidity to maintain normal moisture in most foods. Pure convection plus 0% humidity for cakes, cookies, and soufflés. Dough proofing for yeast and sourdough. Low temperature cooking for meats. Sous vide for meat, fish, vegetables, and desserts. Full surface grill plus circulated air for grilling, browning, and/or toasting. Use the function selector to select your heat and humidity combination to achieve extraordinary results. Pull the door open with its integrated handle or touch to open automatically. Remember your core temperature probe. It can be used with multiple program options. Set your time with 4 options: timer, which counts down the remaining time for existing recipes; stopwatch, which counts up for creating new recipes; cooking time, which switches off the oven when the programmed time has elapsed; cooking time end, which switches on the oven for perfect meal timing. Use the steam reduction mode to remove condensation and check on your food without opening the door. It will last 20 seconds. Use the misting mode to bring additional steam into the interior and add moisture to food while cooking bread or rolls. Create, modify, and save your own programs. Select the chef's hat and then select the next available custom program. Name your program. Save up to 50 custom recipes. There are also a variety of international pre-programmed recipes that can be enjoyed and modified to your own taste. Keep your Combi-steam oven pristine with a few simple steps. The racks and trays can be removed and washed in the dishwasher. The Combi-steam oven will clean itself as often as you like with its easy-to-install cleaning cartridge. The full cleaning cycle will last approximately 3 hours and 45 minutes. To descale the steam generator, remove the cleaning drawer, fill it with water, and start the descaling program. Never worry about needing to dry out the interior, as the oven will automatically do so. Keep the kitchen at the heart of your home with Home Connect, where you can easily access its user manuals, adjust your appliance settings, and communicate with customer service. It also includes tips on cleaning and care, as well as a large selection of recipes. The 400 series Combi-steam oven. The difference is Gaggenau.